Hi everyone, this is Kevin with Garrison Dental Solutions, and I'm going to show you quickly how to spool up your own Tofflemire bands on ReelMatrix reels. If there is a particular style of Tofflemire that you really like and you want to be able to use it in a ReelMatrix reel so that it's super easy to apply, there's just a couple of little tricks in order to do so. The empty reels are available. You can buy them in refill packs from Garrison. Of course, we have to put that into the handle if we're going to spool one up. And then if you see the slot here, then we turn it over and you can see the inside of the hub. We want to line those up like so. There we go. Then we can take one of the Tofflemire bands. These are two exclusive shapes that Garrison Dental Solutions has. The top one is a deep margin elevation band. The bottom one is the right curve Tofflemire band. The coated side is on the inside of the band. So we want to do this. Just turn it over like that, so that the coating is on the inside, and then the narrower portion of the band goes towards the gingiva. So we want to make sure that that is what I'm going to call down, okay? For lack of a more descriptive term, we want that down towards the bottom part of the reel. We put the band into the reel. Now I'm pushing it all the way so that it's all the way as far as it will go into that slot and all the way up in the slot. And then I can start to turn the ball and watch what happens. It starts to draw it in and then it's ready to go. You can store it like this so you have a few of them made up ready to go, or you can have your assistant do that, chair side if need be. Let's do that same thing with this deep margin elevation band. Pull this tight by pulling the ball back and it's going to lock that in place. And I'm going to turn this. You see, there is a little bit of a wider notch there. I do tend to put the wider notch towards the slot to spool these. The non-stick side in, the narrow side down. And you want to make sure that the two ends of the band are equidistant, right? You don't want them way offset like this. That's not going to spool up properly. So we want to make sure we've got this so that they're equidistant. Put them as far as they will go in the slot. Start to spool it up. Simple as that. And there is a deep margin elevation band ready to be applied. Thanks for watching.